Welcome students. Today we will see exercise 3.1 question number 1 of class 10 mathematics. So here question number 1, Aftab tells to his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. See here what he has told, Aftab he is telling to his daughter that 7 years ago. So for that to solve this type of questions we have to consider first the present ages. So let Aftab age, that is Aftab's present age. Aftab present age will be x years. Okay. So Aftab's present age will be x years. So in the same way let his daughter present age will be y years. Here Aftab age will be x years and daughter age will be y years. Here the Aftab's present age will be x years and daughter's present age will be y years. 7 years ago Aftab age will be x minus 7. Okay, and 7 years ago Aftab daughter age will be y minus 7. And as per the statement, this first statement, 7 years ago he was 7 times as old as his daughter. So x minus 7 is equal to 7 times this y minus 7. So now by solving this one, x minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 7 into 7, 49. So x minus 7, this time this we will take this side, 7y, then plus 49 we have taken this side. So x minus 7y, this plus 49 and minus 7 will be plus 42 equal to 0. This is the first equation. Okay. So now as per the second statement, 3 years from now means x plus 3. Present age is x. 3 years from now means x plus 3. So her daughter at the same time it will be y plus 3. So what happens? 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you. So he will be 3 times his daughter age. So this also will solve. X plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 3 into 3, 9. So x, this 3y we have taken to LHS, x minus 3y minus 9 plus 3 equal to 0. So x minus 3y minus 9 plus 3 will be 6 minus 6 equal to 0. This is second equation. Okay. So these are the two equations we have represented as per their statement. Algebraically we have represented. In the same way we have to represent it in the graphically. So for example, for representation in the graphical method we have to find out the values for these equations. Suppose this is the one equation. For this we have to take some values. We have to put some values and we have to get the results. For that, so to represent these two equations in graphical means we have to consider one by one equations and we have to put x values and get the y values in for both the equations. Then we have to plot those values on this graph. So we will take this equation first. So to find out the x and y values from these equations and also from these equations, we have to substitute one of the value as 0 and find out the other values in both the equations and make a table so that we can substitute those values in the graphs. So here for example, this is one table. So here to find out the x and y values from this equation and from this equation, we have to substitute one of the value as 0 and get the other value. And in the same way in this equation also we have to do. So after that, by getting these values in the table, those values have to be, we can plot the graph. So now this is x and this is y. Okay. And same thing here, x and y for this equation and this is for this equation. So we will consider this equation first. So we will put to x value as 0 here. So we will find out what is the value of y. So here x is equal to 0 means, so in this equation I am considering. Okay. So here x equal to 0, minus 7 into y plus 42 equal to 0. So minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Okay. So here, so y is equal to minus 42 divided by minus 7. So minus minus cancel, 7 1s are 7 6 there. So y is equal to 6. So here when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. Now we will put value of y as 0 here. So put y is equal to 0 in the same equation. So here in this equation, so here x minus 7 into 0 plus 42 equal to 0. So here x minus 7 into 0 equal to 0. So x plus 42 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 42. Okay, when x is equal to minus 42, this y will be 0. That is why you have put as 0, then x value is minus 42. So in the same way, you can try for this equation also. So here put x equal to 0. So here x means 0 minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. So minus 3y is equal to plus 6, because this LHS comes to RHS. So y is equal to 6 divided by minus 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So y is equal to minus 2. So this minus 2 will put here, and in the same way y equal to 0 will put in this equation. Okay, so now x minus 3 into 0 minus 6 equal to 0, x minus 6 equal to 0, x is equal to 6. So this 6 will put x and this is 0. These two values will represent in the graph. So here first we will consider this equation, x 0 and 6. X value, this is the positive, this is negative, this is x coordinate and this is y coordinates, and y coordinate positive is here, negative is here, x coordinate positive is here, negative is here. So here 0 and 6, x is 0 here and y is equal to plus 6. So here this is one value. Okay, this is x equal to 0 and y is equal to plus 6, and x is equal to minus 42, y equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 means this y coordinate is 0 and x is minus 42. So this is x is minus 42. So minus 6 up to this is minus 42. Okay, so we'll consider this, we'll assume this here. Okay, this is the one point, and you join this point and this point. Okay, this is line, and in the same way you can represent these values on the graph. Y is equal to minus 2, this is minus 2, here 1, this is 1 point, and when x is equal to 6 here, y is equal to 0, so this is 0, y is equal to 0. So this is one line. This we have represented in the algebraically and graphically. Okay, this is the solution. So we will go for next question. So here exercise 3.1, question number 2. The coach of cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically, same as we have done in the last question. Here the coach, she buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900 rupees. So okay, so here first we will assume let the price of one bat will be x rupees, because see here rupees, why we have to consider means here the subject is going on about rupees, so hence we have to consider the price only. So now let the price of one ball will be y rupees. Okay, so by doing this assumption we will write the equations. Say 3 bats means 3x plus 6 balls means 6y is equal to how much rupees? It is equal to 3,900 rupees. Okay, this is one equation. We can write 3x plus 6y minus 3,900 equal to 0, one equation. So in the second situation, one more bat means 1x plus 3 balls 3y is equal to 1,300. Okay, so x plus 3y minus 1,300 equal to 0. This is second equation. So here same thing, we have to substitute one of the value in one of the equation and we have to get the other value, and in the same way for the second equation also we have to do it. So here we will consider 2 tables. So here first equation we will consider, so this first equation we will consider, put x is equal to 0, so hence 3 into 0 plus 6y is equal to 3,900. Okay, minus 3,900 we have brought to RHS. So here 6y is equal to 3,900. So y is equal to 3,900 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 6 are 36. So 30, 6 5 are 30. So 0. Okay. So y is equal to 650. This is x and this is y. When you put x equal to 0, y is equal to 650. So now we will put y is equal to 0. Okay. So put y is equal to 0. So now here 3x plus 6y means 3x plus 6 into 0 is equal to 3900. Okay, 3x plus 6 into 0 means 0 only, 3900. So x is equal to 3900 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 3s are and 0 0. So x is equal to 1300. Okay, so when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1300. So in the same way we have to represent this equation also. So here x and y, so we will consider this equation. So put x is equal to 0 here. 0 plus 3y is equal to 1300. 3y is equal to 1300. So y is equal to 1300 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. So 10. 3 2s are, so here 433.33. Okay, this y is equal to 430. When x equal to 0, y is equal to 433.33. So we will put y equal to 0 now. So put y is equal to 0. So x plus 3 into 0 is equal to 1300. Okay, so x is equal to 1300. So x is equal to 1300. So these two values will represent in the graph. So now these two values will represent in the graph. So for x equal to 0, so this is x equal to 0, x-axis, and 650, y will be positive 650. So here this up to 6 it is there, we will assume this one up to this up to 650, this is 650. So this is 1 point. So next x is equal to 1300, so x equal to 1300, so up to, so this one will take it as 1300 here. So here, so now we will join these two lines. Okay, so this is a line. Okay, now we will represent this one, x, oh, this is 0, this is 1300. So now for this equation, so this is 1300. Okay, so x equal to 0, this is 0, y value 433. So up to this maybe 433 here, we will consider this one 433.3. Okay, so now y value will be 0, this is 0, this is 1 point. So now next 1300 in the x direction, so here x direction 1300, this is the point, and y will be 0, so this y will be 0 only, so this point, so this to this, so this line we have to join. So these lines are not perfect, you have to join with the scale. Okay, this is one line, this is another line. So this is the representation of this situation in graphically as well as algebraically. Okay, we will go for next question. Here in this question number 3, exercise 3.1, the cost of 2 kg of apple and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be Rs 1300. Okay, so now the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be 160. That is 2 kg apple plus 1 kg grapes is equal to 160 rupees. This is one day. Okay, and in the other day 4 kg apple and 2 kg grapes is equal to 300. This is another day. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. Okay, let the price of 1 kg apple be x rupees, because final will be this rupees only, and in the same way let the price of 1 kg grapes be y rupees. So now we will analyze this situation. So 2 kg of apple, 2 kg of x, okay, 2 into x plus 1 into y is equal to 160 rupees, because see 2 kg of apple Okay, 1 kg apple price is X. So 2 kg means 2 into X plus 1 kg of grapes. Total amount will be 160 rupees. So this should be in the form of amount, this should be in the form of amount. So we have to consider this as a price only because this is the quantity. Quantity into each price is equal to total amount. In this way we have to represent. So this is one equation. Okay. Second equation will be 4 kg of apple plus 2 kg of grapes is equal to 300 rupees. This is one day, this is other day. So this equation 1, this is equation 2. So now we will put one of the value as 0 and find out the other value. So now we will consider this first equation. So here in this first equation we will put x value as 0. This is x and this is y. This is second equation xy. So in this first equation we will put this x value as 0. So 2 into 0 plus 1 into y is equal to 160 rupees. So 2 into 0 0. So y is equal to 160. 160. So here 0 160. So now we will put y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 we will put in the same equation. So 2 into x plus 0 is equal to 160. So 2x is equal to 160. X is equal to 160 divided by 2. So this is 80. So x is equal to 80. So x is equal to 80 when y is equal to 0. So in the same way we will consider for second equation. For this second equation. So put x equal to 0. So x equal to 0. So what happens? 4 into 0 plus 2y is equal to 300. So 2y is equal to 300. Y is equal to 300 divided by 2. So this is 150. So y is equal to 150 here. So now we will put y equal to 0 here. So here put y is equal to 0. So here in this equation 4x plus 2 into 0 is equal to 300. So 4x is equal to 300. X is equal to 300 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4 7s are 28. 4 5s are x is equal to 75. So this is x equal to 75. So we will represent these two in the graph. X equal to 0. This is x-axis 0. Y-axis will be 160. So we will assume this as 160. So this is 1 point. And x-axis is 80. Y equal to 0. X-axis equal to be, this is 80. Okay. So this point. So this line, this we have to join. Okay, this is the line. So in the second one, x equal to 0, y is equal to 150. This is 160 means this will be 150 will take. So this is 150, this point. And 75 will be x. So this is 80 means 75 will take here. And this other point. So this point and this point we have to join. Okay, this is the situation represented in the graphically. Okay, thank you.